So many people will use Excel to build the company's quotation, as long as the Internet search quotation template will see many quotation templates. In YouTube can also be searched for a lot of how to use Excel to build the quotation teaching. However, this process is not just a quotation. There are still many processes that need to be handled manually. Who is responsible for receiving and replying to these quotation requests? How to centralize the management to avoid omissions and missing any orders. And finally, there is still a need for an automated system in order to make this operational process more efficient. Therefore, today, I would like to share a cost-effective, easy-to-use and efficient tool, Jotform. Only 3 steps to set up an automated quotation process to solve your troubles. Jotform is a powerful SaaS with more than 25 million users, in addition to providing many services in addition to the serial integration, but also provides more than 10,000 templates, whether application forms, order forms, purchase order forms, work request forms, survey forms, employment forms. There are many types of form templates to choose from, making it easy for users to build forms and processes more quickly. The subscription price section provides 5 choices, and there is also a comparison of the functions of each program. You can choose according to your needs, but it is recommended that you can first register for the free program to actually experience the use of the program before deciding which program suits your needs. This tutorial takes only 3 steps to complete an automated quotation form, so let's get started. Click on the link in the video description to register, and the great thing about Jotform is that it offers a completely free registration. The free plan allows you to create 5 forms, 100 monthly submissions, and 100 megabytes of storage. So, for a small business, the free version may be enough for your daily needs. Registration is very simple. You can use Gmail, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and other accounts to register. After successful registration, you will see that you are now choosing the free plan. Next, we directly into My Forms, ready to create the first form. The first time you log in will pop up a window listing some templates for you to choose from. You can also directly search for the template you want. We first close it back to the workspace. Click Create Form. We will see that there are 3 ways to create a form. The first is to use templates. The second is to import existing forms. The third is to create an e-signatures document. We choose the first Use Templates. Then we slide down to find the quote forms. Go to see a variety of styles of quote forms. You can choose according to preferences like templates for modification. You can also preview the form. I chose Request for Pricing form. You can immediately see a beautifully designed form. There are 3 functions above Form: Build, Settings, Publish. We will introduce step by step. In the Form Design section, you can freely adjust each form component. Jotform provides many kinds of form components, which can definitely satisfy most of the needs. After you select the component, just drag and drop the component directly to the form. And it is also very easy to remove the component. Just hover to the component and it will show the delete button. And each component can be adjusted according to the needs of the properties. Each component has different properties. You can try to study it by yourself. Of course, you can also change the color scheme of the form according to your personal preference. We finally choose blue color scheme, so the form design is complete. In the step 3, we will introduce the workflow of the form. Please switch to the Form Settings page. Select Workflows and click Edit button. Then Jotform will open another Workflows design window. You can design the flow of the form according to the needs. This example process is that when a customer sends a request for a quotation, the form is first forwarded to the person responsible for reviewing it, and a letter is sent regardless of whether the form is approved or denied. But we have made the responses to the 2 letters different. You can also choose different execution actions according to your personal needs. There are many kinds of execution actions. You can also choose to integrate the application with other external services, and everything can be changed according to your company's workflow, which is very convenient. Finally, please close the Workflow Design page, go back to the Form Design page, and then switch to the Publish page. Congratulations! We have finished designing the form. Let's take a look at the result. Same as the form we just designed, the whole form is in blue color, and the form is public by default. Anyone can fill it out. You can also change it to private. Only the invitee can open the form. Jotform also offers many ways to share your form: QR code, WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Once the customer has completed the form, the person responsible for reviewing the form will receive a letter and will also be able to see a notification of the form that needs to be reviewed in the Jotform inbox. Bravo! See you next time!